You guys be mad if I ask him to close it down? I called me about some shit that he wanted to sell, and I'm eager to get over there and see what he's got. It sounds like he's got some cool shit.
No, we're good.
Alright.
Not bad.
God, even the inside of the door jam looks good.
Look at that.
Shine on it. You put the shine on it. It's good to drive this tonight.
I would still be more on. I mean, I'll go around. I'll be close up.
I'll say this. I would drive this tonight. That feather over your ass, you're driving.